Today is the 6th of June 2025, and today we are unboxing a graphics card from Nvidia. It's the GeForce RTX 5070 Ti. This one is by Zotac, and this is the solid version with the small form factor cooler on it. So it is a 2-slot cooler, and let's get into it. Zotac makes a variety of these cards. This, given my build, is the only one that sort of fits it. 5070 Ti was announced in February 2025, along with their 50 series cards. Ooh, there we go. Features 16 gigabytes of VRAM. This is the box. Can pause it if you want and read about it. So their solid coolers are generally 2.5 to 3 slots, but they have this special SFF version. Some papers. This one was purchased for, at the time of filming, for $1,599. That is expected to go down over time, but given it's a new release card, alright, let's pull it out. Oh. So that is the cooler itself, the bottom. I believe it's 16-lane PCIe. That's the top. I believe this Zotac lights up along with the logo. And that is the very nice looking backplate. So we'll just see what else is in the box, and then we'll come back to the card. So we have a GPU bracket stand. Nice metal construction with a Phillips head screw. Very simple, very nice, minimal design. And then we have a 12 volt high power connector and two 2x8 PCIe power cable. See if I can bring that up in the light. There we go. So I will have to use this temporarily while I look at changing my cable config. I have a 750 watt power supply by Corsair, but currently running a 2070 Super, so we'll have to use this temporarily. Let's have a look. I think that's it for what comes in the box. Yep, fairly minimal, which is good. Less plastic. Actually, I might just hold the box down a bit. There we go. So I haven't seen anyone do any other unboxings on the, actually there was one other unboxing on it, but just thought I'd do my video on this one as I've just received it. So I haven't shown the backplate there, sorry, the I/O ports. So you have, what do we got here? 3 display ports, DP, 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 and HDMI. So I'll be using one of the DP ports. But that's a fairly straightforward I/O plate. This is the 12 volt high power connector. You can see the actual GPU die in there. And then you have a pass-through fan on this side for cooling. So overall, a very nice design. The color of the backplate is like a steel gray, aluminium gray. Maybe on the darker side of a steel grey colour. It's definitely not black. The PCB is black. And yeah, it's a very nice design. Looking forward to installing it. So I think I'll leave it at that for the Zotac 5070 Ti 16GB SFF cooler version. So there we go. Thanks for watching.